Today's video will walk you through the steps on how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. If you need tech support, your first step will be to contact your instructional technology specialist. Your instructional technology specialist will send you a calendar invite with a link to join a Google Meet. Once you join the Google Meet, your ITS will lead you through the steps to use Chrome Remote Desktop.
Okay, Mandy, now that you have joined the Meet so that we can work on your computer, what I want you to do is go up here to the toolbar and go over and find the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. It'll look like a little Chrome icon with two windows, and click there. And that's opening up a new tab for me. All right, I'm the person who needs help today. So I am going to go over to Get Support, and I'm going to click on Generate Code. This is going to give me a special code that I'm going to send to Selena in the chat box so that she can have access to my Chromebook. You'll notice the code is right here. It has 5 minutes before it expires. There's a little clipboard right here that I can click on, and it will copy the code for me. So I'm going to come back over to my Meet screen, and I'm going to click on the chat box, and I'm going to paste that code into the chat box and send it to her. Okay, so let me stop presenting, and let's see what it looks like on her screen. So I'm going to copy that code that Mandy just sent, and I'm going to go to my Chrome Remote Desktop extension and down to Give Support. And I'm going to enter that code and click on Connect. And Mandy, I'll stop sharing so you can show what that looks like on your end. What I'm seeing is on my screen, there's a pop-up box and it says Remote Assistance, and it says, would you like to allow Selena Arrington to see and control your computer? I will click Share. And now she has control of my screen. At the bottom it says that I'm sharing control of my screen via remote assistance. And we'll show you what it looks like once she has control of my screen. Okay, so now I should have access to Mandy's screen, which you see here, and say that Mandy needs support with finding how to go to Incident IQ from the staff webpage. So I would just open up a new tab on Mandy's computer. And what you see me doing here, I'm actually controlling Mandy's computer from my computer using Chrome Remote Desktop. So I'll navigate us to Floyd County Schools website. And then once that comes up, I can show Mandy how to go over here to Staff. Click on Staff. And then I can show Mandy that she can find Instant IQ right here. So basically what I have just done is Mandy gave me control of her computer using the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. I have taken over control of her internet browser, and I've walked her through the steps to do something. So in the event that you have any issues with your computer, what you can do is go through these steps to allow one of your ITS members to access your computer and walk you through the steps, just like I walked Mandy through the steps to go to Incident IQ from the employee homepage. Okay, so now that we are finished with what I needed help with in Remote Desktop, for me to stop Selena from controlling my screen, once we've taken care of the problem, we will come over to the tab that says Chrome Remote Desktop. And under Get Support, it reminds me that Selena Arrington at floydboe.net is now connected to this machine. If I need to stop sharing with her, all I have to do is click on Stop Sharing. So once Mandy clicked on Stop Sharing, now I no longer have access to her computer.